Well, this lawsuit claims that Dr. Hector Granados is breaking a state law by allegedly prescribing gender altering medication to his patients, in one case to a patient as young as 12 years old. And one state representative says that this lawsuit is putting patients and the El Paso community at risk.
The risk for El Pasoans specifically is that we want our young people to grow up in a society and a community that helps them grow in healthy and safe ways. This bill and what's happening right now, is counter to that.
Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton is suing El Paso pediatric endocrinologist Dr. Hector Granados. Paxton is alleging that the doctor is breaking state law by prescribing gender transitioning medication to patients under 18 years old. State Representative Mary Gonzalez is voicing her concern over the lawsuit.
I have lost a lot of trust in our Attorney General. That is a direct example of when public policy has negative consequences for health. The same thing is now happening with SB 14. Their doctors say, here's what a patient needs. And then the state says, no, doctors, you're wrong.
The lawsuit says that Dr. Granados allegedly violated Senate Bill 14, which prohibits prescribing gender transitioning drugs to individuals under the age of 18. According to court documents, Dr. Granados allegedly prescribed puberty blockers and other hormones to minors as recently as August 19th. The last prescription filled was on October 12th, leaving patients possibly at risk of not accessing the medical treatment they need.
The three negative outcomes. One is a continued fear by the medical profession. Two is the actual blocking of life-needed healthcare. And then three, specifically on this topic, is because it's targeting transgender youth.
The lawsuit also accuses Dr. Granados of falsifying medical records and concealing his practices to avoid prosecution. The head of UTEP's Department of Gender and Women's Studies says that she believes that this lawsuit isn't fair to patients.
I do think it's an overreach. It is the law. However, do I think the law is accurate? Do I think it's just? I do not think it's just, because again, we're ignoring the suicide rates and the effects of gender dysphoria and gender nonconformity on children, especially the long-term outcomes of that.